Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to see writing skills. Writing skills are very important as speaking skills. Mm, because in your professional life, maybe in our day to day life, we engage much with our speaking skills. But for our professional life, speaking skill is as important as writing skills. Writing skills is as important as speaking skills. So it is very important to improve our writing skills. Okay, almost it is very easy for someone to generate ideas, opinions. But when it comes to writing, okay, most of us have new ideas, new thoughts. It is very easy to speak out. Okay. But when it comes to writing, everybody thinks, okay. Even I ask you a question. You have so many ideas. You can speak it aloud. But can you write it? Can you put it into words? In papers? No, it's difficult. Why do I think? Because it needs a lot of techniques to write in an organized way, or you'll have to present it beautifully. You'll have to be well aware about grammar, writing techniques, especially like punctuations and writing techniques. Okay, these are all very important. So it is very difficult for some of us who are not aware or who are not very familiar into writing skills. But it is very important for every one of us to improve our writing skills, because when we become professionals, okay, we must engage ourselves, or we have to take up this writing skills. Okay, whether it is writing an email or whether it is presenting a presentation, it is very important. Okay, so when it comes to writing skills, there are different styles. Okay, persuasion and argumentative. There are different styles and techniques. So when we master them, it is very easy for us to just become good at writing skills. Okay, now the main task in presenting your ideas into paper, okay, into words, and to put them into paper, okay, the main idea or ingredient is they have to be in organized way, in a logical way. Okay, that is what makes a writing different from the speaking skill. And then the next main task for the writer is to engage his or her audience throughout his essay or throughout the novel. So it is very important for the writer to make everything interesting. Okay, it is possible when you involve much into it, when you just learn the ropes of writings, then only it is possible. Now in this session, we are going to discuss the some of the basic elements that we'll have to master to become familiar with writing skills. So, as I told you, writing is an art of expressing our thoughts and views, and we cannot write something in an unorganized way. It has to be in an organized, coherent manner. And then, what is the medium to express our thoughts and ideas? Language is our medium. When it comes to speaking, okay, sometimes our emotions are expressed through our words or pauses in our body language. But in writing, how do we express our emotions? Only through punctuation marks, and then a correct usage of grammar, playing with words, okay, and the sentence structure. That is the technique through which the writer expresses his emotion. So it is very important to master them as well. So learning variety of writing skills is not that difficult, but applying them consciously needs some practice. So you can improve your writing skills by applying cautiously the techniques that you have learned. Okay. So in this slide, as I told you, we are going to learn some basic 6 steps. Okay, to start your writings. the first and foremost step is to choose your topic. Okay, choose your topic. It can be anything. It can be any controversial issue, sensitive point, on any official matter, but you'll have to be very particular about the topic. And then after you choose your topic, you'll have to select. You'll have to research enough to support your topic that you have chosen. You have to have enough information and details about the topic that you are going to write. Research as much as possible and collect relatable information. Collect all random notes, thoughts, and ideas, and write it down in a notes or paper. Most importantly, research and the concerning audience and try to find out what they want and identify the main theme of the content. Okay, when you choose your topic, you can understand who will be your audience. Take for example, if it is politics, most of the times, okay, yes, obviously, politicians will be involved, will be very interested to read your essay, and then people who are educated, okay, uh, and people who love politics, they'll read that essay definitely. So you will have to cater their questions, how to expect in advance what will be the questions. If I choose the topic, take for example, is India a truly a democratic country? Okay, if I choose this topic, then what are the questions that will our audience will expect? What are the information they want to know? So that you will have to pre-assume all the things. Then you will have to start writing. You'll have to collect enough and necessary information regarding that. And then, after collecting all the information that you want, you'll have to organize the entire thing in a proper way. So, the next step after noting down the information is to organize them in a proper way. Create an outline that will help you to, when you write the essay, that will help you to go in order, that will help you to make the essay in a coherent way. And then start writing. First, choose the topic, do enough research and groundwork, and then organize the content, make an outline, a blueprint, and go according to the blueprint. And when you sit to write, ensure that you use simple and direct language, okay, and your word choice are very familiar among people, and the division of the paragraph should be easy to understand, and yours if use necessary subtitles or table columns. If you are just giving statistics or data, use table column or figures or whatever. Give enough supportive points to the readers to understand it thoroughly. And then after you finish your writing, okay, it's not ready to go, because you must have sometimes skipped or sometimes haven't provided enough fact. So you'll have to revise once, and if you want anything to be added, add it. If you want to delete something unnecessary details, just remove it. And then go for the last step is go for editing and proofreading. Okay, go to a friend who is good at English, or if you are writing in English, go to the person who is good at English, or if you're writing in a mother tongue, the person who is well known for editing and proofreading, that they will help you. Okay, so before you give, you can check out to others, you can check out grammars and punctuations and the usage of words. You can check it by yourself and give your writing very important point as structure, and then make clear that your concept, you have to be clear about what you are writing. So before you start writing, ensure that you are thorough about the topic what you want to uh, speak with your audience. So in this video, I hope that I have given you the basic steps to improve your writing skills, to start off with your writing skills. So for further details, you can go and refer lecture notes available in Google Classroom. Thank you.